Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So I'm doing another recreation of Shanillia's 26 niece's hair. So she posted a video on her Instagram, and I'm just going to recreate that with my daughter's hair. You guys can go check out her Instagram page to see exactly how she did her niece's hair. But I'm just going to show you guys how I recreated it and put my little twist on it. So I'm starting off with freshly shampooed hair. I'm parting her hair up top because I'm going to braid her sides, and I'm going to braid her sides going up. So you'll see that shortly. So what I did before I braided the sides up, I blow dried her hair some so that it can have some stretch to it because her hair is still short. So I tried to blow dry it out so that way when I braided it up, there would be some lift to it. Now on to braiding her sides up. So I didn't put much gel on her sides. If you've seen previous videos, you know how we have those issues with her pulling her sides. But at the end, you'll be able to see how I smoothed her edges down. So right now, I'm just focusing on braiding her sides up, but not too tight, but tight enough so it won't come loose, but not too tight to where the edges are falling out. So yeah. So let me just say, this style is super easy. Right now I'm just making a part in the middle of her head all the way across, as you see, and then I'm going to make a part going down the center of her hair all the way down. So moving right along, all I'm doing is moisturizing her hair, and I'm going to put that section that I parted in a ponytail, and then I'm going to twist it up. And the same thing that I do on that side is going to be the exact same thing that I do on the opposite side. Once you're done with the back, all you're going to do is pull the back twist up into the ponytails that you create. So you're going to crisscross the back. One side is going to go to the opposite side, and the other side is going to go to the other opposite side. And that's pretty much what you're doing. Now, towards the end of this, in Shanillia's, and please forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, because I guarantee you I am. She puts her niece's hair into two buns. Because my daughter's hair is still kind of short, I like to keep it out into a puff. So towards the end, you'll see that I just keep it out, and her hair is just in a puff. While you're pulling the back twist into the puff or the ponytail or a bun, however you want to do it, you're also going to pull the braided hair on top of the crown into the ponytail as well. So you're going to crisscross the top of the braids, one braid into one ponytail and one braid into the other ponytail. you guys for watching this video. It's a really, really simple and easy hairstyle for little girls. I like it. She's been wearing it now for a couple of weeks now, so every week I'll just redo it. I'll either co-wash or shampoo and just do the style, because I like to do styles on her hair where I don't have to do her hair every day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.